Tonight, boys. You gonna run a goddamn 9?
Oh yeah. We're gonna send her.
Alright, let's go do some testing. Let me hop in with the laptop. What is going on, guys? We have just made it to Orlando Speedworld with the 9-second build. We split this video up in 2 parts because I'm pretty sure the first video is pretty long. But this is going to be a lot of fun. Jordan is going to be driving this car. He really hasn't driven on the street. We got it aligned, we got the camber out of the rear, and it's BMR suspension, VMP Gen 3R, E85. It laid down 766 on the dyno, but a lot of that horsepower number on the dyno is ate up by these rear tires. So I'm guessing it's going to go a 9 here. So we got to do a quick test hit on the street, make sure Jordan's good. Out in Mexico where there's no one else out there, and then we're gonna go back to the track. You gotta test things. It's I know some people will say, well, you're next to a track. We literally gotta test it, make sure everything's good, make sure the shifts are good before it goes on track, because it's getting serious from the hit. It should hook. We're gonna run 60 psi in the rear tires. We're dropping the tire pressure down right now just to make a quick hit on the streets. Jordan, are you ready?
I am ready, Freddie. Well, actually, I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
No, that's why we're testing in Mexico.
Yeah. I haven't even drove the car yet, really. I drove it a mile up the road, and now we're at OSW.
Just a warm up of the tires. Damn!
At 50?
Yeah. Second?
Oh, third.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Rowdy.
It's moving.
We are in line. This car from salvage title, naturally aspirated, 12-second car, built in 4 days.
Stock to 9s in 4 days.
Yep. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Those hits on the street, they felt rowdy.
So let's take our tally. I'm doing 9.7.
I think if he stays in it and it hooks, it's going 950s.
9.5?
9.5.
What do you got?
I'll say 9.4, maybe 148 to 150.
I don't think the camera can hear you, but Jordan...
Look, 9.4 at 150.
Right.
I'm staying in it the whole time.
Yep.
Unless I feel it spinning, I'm not letting out.
Hell yeah, brother. Dude, it's not even gutted, look.
It's got full interior.
It's got passengers.
Don't look back.
don't look back there.
No. What did it make? 730 on the dyno? It can't be that fast.
Yeah, sub 600 foot-pounds.
Yeah. Hell yeah. For anyone wondering, the DA is not great today. 909 feet. So we're gonna see what it does. We like that negative DA here in Florida in the winter, but gotta do what we can do. Got some crappy 80% humidity. Oh man. Template and all. Temp tag.
Oh, what you did it 4 days ago.
Jordan's going up against David. Very fast. Almost like Turdzilla, but a lot faster. Very fast 2-valve turbo car. TH400 built 2-valve turbo. Ignore how dirty this thing is. It hasn't had a chance to get clean since we put it all together. was that?
Bro, my nuts are in my chin right now.
Dude, it left really nice.
Yeah, 1,000 RPM, you scored it.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can kick that one.
You got the slick?
Yeah. Thank you. Right?
What is it?
Oh my god.
What is it?
9.6 at 144.
Yes! 9.6 off the trailer, dude.
Off the trailer. I'm gonna load it up a little bit more this time.
Yeah, you can leave harder too.
That was a 1.460 foot.
Oh my god, dude, it's going 1.3. Hell yeah, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna go back to the lane.
Yeah, come back around and look at the log too.
I'm coming on my 9.8 still. What'd you get?
Better.
Oh,
Dude! Give me that. Dude.
Hang on 1 second. I'll call you back.
9.6. Shine some light in
I
there.
got you.
Oh my
trailer.
god.
Off the trailer, freshly built.
9.6 at 144. Dude, you had a weak burnout. You barely launched it. This suspension is working.
Oh yeah. I barely launched it, bro.
You need to inch forward out of the water. I was trying to get you to move forward.
All right, so I just set up a race.
Instigating.
Jordan versus Hellcat. I don't think it's stock, but we don't really know. We're just gonna see what happens here. He's gonna try to leave off the tree, but this is the second race ever with this car, so who knows? All right, this versus the Hellcat. Hellcat got a good burnout. Let's see what it does. Burner. Got the win. Gap the boat. Yeah.
That was almost really bad.
Yeah.
Do you have to dodge it?
Holy crap. All right, well, we thought you wrecked.
I feel like he has my time slip. The Hellcat.
Let me see.
Whatever. Way slower.
No, this is left. We'll look at the log. Oh, 144, 60 foot. Wait, what did it go before?
One the same.
Oh, the same. That's fine. I think it's heat soaked. Heat soaked, or you got a belt slip. I'll look at the log.
Probably both.
Yeah. You got the win against the Hellcat, dude.
Dude, I walked it down.
Just a 9.9 at 139.
Oh yeah, no, light work.
Dude, you were super slow on the tree. 0.6.
Yeah, because the converter didn't load up right away, so I was like, oh.
You're almost off the ground there.
Yeah.
Damn.
So the G body was still on the
working.
track.
So what happened when you got down there? You just saw him?
Dude, I'm on. As soon as I touch the brakes, I see his car in this lane, and I hit the brakes and swerved, and the car goes like this. I was like, oh my god.
Yeah, you can't swerve.
You see that car at the end of the truck?
Yeah, dude, I seen it. I'm like, man, I hope you don't hit that car.
That was crazy.
Last second. That's
Dude,
why
I thought he wrecked, and I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah.
I seen it. I was like, what the fuck?
That was a good run.
Yeah.
What's done to the Hellcat?
Nothing.
Nothing?
It's all
Nice. That's it. Yeah, it was only on 15 degrees of timing. Yeah.
How's it going, guys?
Let's go, man.
Everything good? Per HR rules, man, I'm sorry. You got it. You're done for the night.
Oh, man.
Sorry, man.
They caught me.
Just a little bit too quick. Gotta have a cage. You're only allowed 10 seconds by NHR rules. So
We kind of knew that was coming.
Yeah.
Built the car, and this is a 12.8 car 4 days ago.
4 days ago, you built this in 4 days?
Yep.
I'm gonna have to how you guys have built mine. I can't even. Been 2 years. I can't even get mine done.
Yeah.
I apologize for that. I appreciate it. You guys be good, all right? Sorry,
Yeah,
thank you.
man. Dude, kicked off the track. Here you go. Here's your helmet.
The other helmet. Alright, first second.
Dude, this thing's rowdy, right?
Street car, baby.
Dude,
Street car.
it can't even go back on the track. Dude, you can't even go back on the track.
I know.
It's too fast.
Oh well.
Oh,
You know,
man.
they don't want my sauce here.
Dude, that is impressive.
On the street, dude, we did what, a 40? That bitch,
Hooking.
it just leaned back and went. No drama, all the way up to 140, like peachy.
Coming to the streets.
Near you.
Hell yeah, dude.
We try to dig.
Yeah?
On the
How
street.
bad?
Bad.
Yeah.
It blew him off.
Yeah, but this road's rocky.
Yeah. He's just got to have to pedal through first a little, probably. I mean, he's
Yeah.
never going to dead hook, but not unless
Well,
you prep it.
remember, you have compression rebound cranked.
They're cranked right now, yeah.
So opposite on the street, you need to lower that so that the car comes back and sits.
yeah, bring it down maybe 3 clicks.
Yep. Dude, I'm
Not bad, dude.
so happy. That's exactly what we
This
want
car
to
was-
do.
I dropped this car off Thursday night. Friday, you guys started on it. Today's
Friday.
Tuesday or Wednesday.
Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
Yep.
Yeah.
Tuned, alignment, track. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yep.
Let me know if you want your car just like this, because this is a simple recipe. I literally spec'd out all these parts, the suspension, everything. Nick put them in. We got a tune, Rob the Tune Maker Shoemaker. Goes 9.6, first pass ever, and we get kicked off the track. And we get kicked off the track. That's pretty good.
Up on a Hellcat.
Yep. And whooped up on a Hellcat.
Killed a Hellcat.
Killed the Hellcat, 9.6 pass, kicked off the track. I can't think of anything going more smoother. I mean, and Jordan here, I mean, not to knock down your driving, but you have never ran anything faster than a high 11, right?
And I've always had manual cars, so like I know auto is easy, but it's actually like it's weird. It's just different, you know?
Yeah, but you get the right suspension and it picks up and it goes straight.
Easy. Just hold the wheels straight. That's all you gotta do.
I will say the dyno numbers, they're a little misleading. And that is because of that tire right there and a dyno that reads, you know, fair. So I can't think of anything else to say. Link in the description to this package.
I can
Let
say
me know.
something. We need a converter, a cage, and send this.
It goes 8s with a converter, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Like
Oh, yeah.
we're talking 160 foot. We can turn up the boost more.
Yeah.
I mean, it's only a 75mm upper, and I think it's got a hair of belt slip too. So on that last pass, it didn't belt slip, but fewer heat soak. The coolant temp was a little hot. Still got the Hellcat, but you know.
pretty easily out of this thing.
Yeah, I'm so happy. So hit the like button down below, comment, let me know when you want this done, and we will be banging out more of these. Brings down to Florida. Turn your 12-second car into a 9-second car.
Make street racing legal again.
Yeah, the biggest thing is the suspension. Just suspension, blower, fuel system, send it in a badass tune.